Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new invoice on the Invoice Maker PDF generator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the Invoices button down below in the left side corner and tap on New Invoice. Here you should add the company information first of all, such as the name and address, then click on the Done button. Then you should set the invoice number. You can select the date and the due date as well. You can add the recipient, so a customer, type in their name, their email address, phone number and address. Then you should add the item. Then set the price, quantity, discount, tap on add, go back, and then you should check out the terms, type them in. If you have any, set the status such as paid or unpaid and click on the add button. So here you can find your completed invoice at this section. So if you want to delete it, just slide to the left side and tap on the delete button to get rid of it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.